So, you've got some tough jobs to do? Maybe you need a power cutter for some heavy cuts, or a mud mixer for mixing concrete. Our today's list of construction tools has almost everything you might need. When you're spending hours on your knees at a job site, comfort and durability are non-negotiable. Milwaukee's lineup of knee pads, like the Performance knee pads and Stabilizer Performance knee pads, is built to keep you going strong. These aren't your average knee pads. They're packed with layered gel and pressure-reducing foam that absorbs impact and supports your knees, so you can focus on the task, not the ache. Whether you're laying tile or crawling through a tight space, the water-resistant caps and puncture-resistant materials ensure these pads hold up on rough surfaces. Milwaukee also offers options like the Free Flex for lightweight flexibility or the non-marring version for delicate surfaces, so you've got choices for any job. For bricklayers who demand precision, the OX Pro Metric Tough Rule White Brick Gauge is your new best friend. This isn't just a ruler. It's a tough, purpose-built tool designed to make laying bricks faster and more accurate. Made from durable, high-impact plastic, it's built to survive the chaos of a construction site without warping or fading. The white background with clear, bold markings ensures you can read measurements easily, even in dusty or low-light conditions. At 1 meter long, it's compact enough to carry, but long enough to handle larger jobs with ease. Whether you're a seasoned mason or just starting out, this rule takes the hassle out of measuring and keeps your work spot on. Cutting through concrete, masonry, or steel, the Makita 36-volt LXT brushless 9-inch power cutter is here to make it feel effortless. Powered by two 18-volt LXT batteries, this cordless tool delivers gas-like power without the fumes, noise, or maintenance headaches. Its brushless motor churns out 6,600 RPM, slicing through tough materials with precision, while the integrated water supply kit keeps dust under control for cleaner, safer cuts. Weighing just 10.6 pounds with batteries, it's easy to handle, and the ergonomic design reduces fatigue during long sessions. With a max cutting depth of 3.5 inches, it's perfect for everything, from trenching to demo work. Plus, you get up to 45 minutes of runtime per charge, plenty to tackle serious jobs. We have something that will be your best helping hand to move heavy materials. Say hello to the Greenworks self-propelled wheelbarrow. A handy tool for making yard work much easier, especially for spaces up to half an acre. With the included battery, you get up to 45 minutes of runtime, and recharging takes about 150 minutes using the charger that comes with it. One of the cool features is its 3-in-1 system, so you can choose to mulch, bag, or use side discharge, depending on what you're doing. Plus, the folding handles are super easy to use and can help you save up to 70% of storage space, which is great when you're tight on room. Drilling into concrete barrier walls can be a tough, time-consuming job, but the Minnich single-gang barrier wall drill makes it faster, easier, and more precise. Designed specifically for drilling horizontal holes in barrier walls, this powerful machine delivers consistent, high-quality results while reducing strain on the operator. Built for durability and efficiency, it features a single-gang setup that allows for accurate, repeatable drilling without the need for constant repositioning. So if you're anchoring rebar or installing dowels, the Minnich barrier wall drill helps you get the job done quickly and efficiently, cutting down on labor time while ensuring clean, precise holes every time. To compress and stabilize soil around your job site, a plate compactor is no exception. And if it is from Milwaukee, then there's no room for question. This 20-inch plate compactor is designed to make compaction work on construction sites faster and more reliable. Say goodbye to gas hassles because this tool starts with the push of a button and doesn't need regular maintenance, so you can keep the job moving without annoying delays. Plus, it's zero emission, making it safer to use indoors or in trenches. It's super easy to maneuver with multi-direction control and adjustable speed settings. The compactor runs on 2 red lithium HD 12.0 batteries, so you'll get up to 35 minutes of runtime or enough power to cover 5,000 square feet per charge. This tool is here to make your every compaction task just a fun game. If you need to cut through tough concrete fast and with less hassle, the Hilti DST 20CA wall saw has you covered. With Hilti Cut Assist, this saw does the hard work for you. It detects the surface, adjusts speed, gears, and water flow automatically, so you don't have to keep tweaking settings. Plus, the pull-push mode helps cut faster than traditional pulling methods, saving you time and effort. Setting up and breaking down is quicker and easier, thanks to the integrated flush-cutting flange and onboard control electronics, meaning no external e-box to deal with. It's built for wet coring, making it perfect for cutting openings, demolishing walls with low vibration, and slicing through reinforced materials like stone, brick, and concrete blocks. Working in tight spaces? No problem. This saw is designed to handle tough angles and hard-to-reach spots. Plus, with a real-time cutting depth display on the remote, you always know exactly what's going on. Let's be honest, this Festool Plan X drywall sander is all about making your work easier and more efficient. It has a unique LED light ring that goes all the way around the sander, acting like a built-in light to help you spot any uneven areas while sanding. The random orbit motion of the sander ensures a smooth, scratch-free finish, so you don't have to worry about doing extra work later. It also has adjustable suction power to reduce strain on your arms and back. And the ergonomic T-handle makes it easy to control, even when working on walls or ceilings. The working length is adjustable, and you can add up to 2 extensions for even more reach. Plus, it stores neatly in a Systainer SYS 3XXL, keeping everything organized. With its brushless EC motor, the sander is built to last, requiring no maintenance and offering long-lasting durability for professionals. Say goodbye to gas headaches and hello to smooth, controlled concrete, finishing with the Milwaukee MX Fuel 24-inch walk-behind edging trowel. Built for serious job site performance, this battery-powered beast delivers 5 horsepower strength, a maximum blade speed of 160 RPM, and an ergonomic throttle design for ultimate precision. With 35 minutes of runtime per charge, you get instant power, 0 emissions, and less noise, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor jobs. It comes kitted with 2 red lithium 12.0 batteries and a supercharger, which can fully recharge in just 65 minutes. Plus, the active cooling system keeps things running efficiently. So, if you want gas-like power without the maintenance, this trowel is a blessing for concrete pros. Tired of the hassle that comes with mixing concrete, mortar, or stucco? Our next tool is just about to change the scene. This is MudMixer, a portable solution that will make all those mixing jobs faster, easier, and completely hassle-free. This multi-use mixer features a fully adjustable water input, giving you total control over consistency while eliminating guesswork. Unlike traditional mixers, the MudMixer uses a 2-phase infusion system, where the auger and water work together to create a smooth, continuous mix. No stopping, no clumping, just steady, reliable output. Built tough with a heavy-duty, high-strength steel body, this machine is made to withstand the roughest job sites. Working on foundations, brickwork, or stucco applications, the MudMixer keeps up with you so that your job gets done quickly and efficiently. The first tool we have today will be your new best friend around the construction site. Because this GRABO high flow will make all your heavy lifting tasks as easy as a child's play. This ultimate vacuum lifter is just built for the toughest job sites. With a vacuum flow rate of 1.5 cubic meters per minute, this handheld tool grips materials other tools can't. No matter which type of material it is, rough concrete, stone, or even highly porous surfaces like cinder blocks, this tool handles anything. Thanks to its new pistol grip design, you get a firm, comfortable hold for better control, reducing strain, and increasing precision. So if you're installing slabs, moving large tiles, or handling heavy panels, the GRABO high flow makes the job faster, safer, and way less frustrating. Struggling to get strong, level concrete without all the extra work? The Marshalltown Spin Screed is here to change that. This lightweight power roller screed is designed to help concrete finishers produce flatter, more durable surfaces with less effort. Unlike traditional screeds that rely on a yoke and pipe system, which leaves large voids that require extra pitching and floating, this guy uses a steel bar system that reduces fill volume by 85%. Powered by a heavy-duty Makita right-angle drill, this screed can spin forward or backward, keeping aggregate near the surface for a stronger, longer-lasting slab. Plus, its lightweight design makes handling easier compared to bulkier models. Whether you're working on driveways, sidewalks, or large slabs, the Spin Screed helps you get the job done faster, better, and with way less hassle. When it comes to powerful cordless demolition, the Makita GMH04 breaker hammer is in a class of its own. Delivering a massive 53.7 foot-pounds of impact energy at up to 870 beats per minute, this beast breaks concrete up to 70% faster than corded models. Powered by two 40-volt Max XGT 8.0 amp-hour batteries, it can demolish an 8-foot by 6-foot, 4-inch thick, 5,000 PSI concrete slab on a single charge. Built for tough job sites, it features anti-vibration technology to cut down vibration by 30%, reducing strain while keeping control in your hands. Plus, the Auto Start wireless system lets you connect to a dust extractor via Bluetooth for a cleaner workspace. With extreme protection technology, it's designed to handle dust, water, and harsh conditions without missing a beat. The Onkel.j dust collection tool is a must-have for anyone looking to keep their workspace clean and free of harmful dust while working with power tools. Designed to easily attach to a variety of tools, this compact dust collector efficiently captures debris and dust at the source, ensuring minimal mess and better air quality. It helps you stay compliant with safety regulations by reducing airborne dust, which is especially important in construction and renovation jobs. With its easy-to-use design, the Onkel.j dust collection tool is quick to set up, simple to maintain, and compatible with most standard vacuum systems. Whether you're drilling, cutting, or grinding, this tool ensures that dust stays where it belongs. Do you need a hassle-free solution for cutting rebar or rods without generating sparks? Meet the Zupper Rebar Cutter ERC20. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, it operates cooler and more efficiently, ensuring smooth and precise cuts every time. With its 360-degree rotating cutting head, it adapts easily to different working positions, while the high-hardness steel casting blade can effortlessly handle metal bars ranging from 3 to 20 millimeters. Capable of cutting metal bars in just 3 to 5 seconds, this tool is a reliable companion for various applications, including building construction, emergency disaster relief, and electrical and communication construction projects. Whether you're on the job site or in need of a quick solution, the ERC20 rebar cutter proves to be a valuable asset with its versatility and efficiency. Looking for a powerful mixer that can handle tough jobs like concrete mixing? The Makita UT001G cordless mixer might be just what you need. It runs on a 40-volt Max XGT battery and packs a punch with its brushless motor, giving you the same or even better performance than corded models. Built for heavy-duty tasks, it has a sturdy gear design that holds up under pressure. You can switch between two speeds low from 0 to 500 rotations per minute for thick materials like concrete, and high up to 920 rotations per minute for faster mixing of things like mortar or paint. Plus, the double D handle design makes it more comfortable to use even during long jobs. And the screw-in shaft holder keeps the blade securely in place, so you can focus on getting the job done right. Hand gloves are super important for mechanics because they protect your hands from cuts, abrasions, and chemicals while working on vehicles or machinery. So get ready for the job with HART gloves. You'll get 5 different styles to choose from. These gloves will help you to keep your hands safe with padded impact zones while enjoying the comfort of flexible fit fabrics. The gloves provide maximum grip and are made with stretchable spandex for easy handling. For even more protection, the leather gloves feature puncture-resistant leather. Plus, Heart gloves come with a 5-finger touchscreen capability, allowing you to use your phone without needing to take them off. Wrapping up today's list with a tough, efficient stapler for your construction projects, the Dewalt Hammer Tacker. Whether you're stapling roofing felt, insulation, or house wraps, this tool makes the job quicker and easier with its high-capacity magazine and easy-to-load design. It's built to withstand the toughest job site conditions, with durable metal housing that'll hold up over time. Plus, the comfortable grip reduces hand fatigue, making long hours of use much more manageable. If you need a stapler that combines speed, reliability, and durability, the Dewalt Hammer Tacker is a no-brainer for your toolkit. Ever struggled to find the right spot to drill without hitting wires or missing studs? Dewalt stud finders are built to make your life easier. These handy tools help locate studs, metal pipes, and live electrical wires behind walls, so you can hang shelves, mount TVs, or tackle any wall project with confidence. They come with advanced sensor technology for accurate readings and easy-to-read displays to show exactly where the studs are. With ergonomic designs, they're comfortable to hold and simple to use, making them perfect for both pros and DIYers. Whether you're working on drywall or other wall types, these stud finders help you get the job done right without the guesswork. Don't think it's just a random laser. This is the Hilti Nuron PM50mg-22 multi-line laser. A specially built tool that will make your work super accurate by providing bright, clear laser lines that are easy to see, even at long distances and in daylight. This helps you get your alignment right with fewer setups. Thanks to the 22-volt Nuron platform, it offers great battery life, lasting anywhere from 15 hours to 24 hours depending on the battery, so you can work longer without needing to recharge. The laser is built to last with a tough, drop-resistant housing, rubber dampers, and protection against temperature and humidity, keeping it accurate over time. It also has smart features like tracking your tools, showing battery life, and being compatible with the Nuron battery platform, which makes managing your tools more cost-efficient. Plus, it works with safety accessories like a tool tether to prevent drops, especially when working overhead. Experience top-notch hearing protection and audio quality with the Klein Bluetooth job site earbuds. These earbuds feature naturally expanding memory foam tips with a noise reduction rating of 28 decibels so that your ears remain well protected every time. Enjoy high-quality stereo sound with crisp treble, clear mids, and rich bass. Powered by Bluetooth 5.0 technology, they offer an ultra-stable connection, faster pairing, and universal compatibility. Built-in microphones provide crystal-clear calls and voice assistant functionality even in busy environments. Enjoy wireless music on the go without the hassle of cables, and find your perfect fit with interchangeable earbud tips for comfort in any setting. With more than 15 hours of playtime and a rugged charging case that can withstand 2-meter drops, these IP65 rated earbuds are dust-proof and water-resistant, making them perfect for any job site or casual use. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.